Hey there, sales folks. Daniel Abraham here from Mogul Lead Generation. And today I'm going to present a quick video training regarding how to book enterprise sales opportunities with LinkedIn. This is one of my favorite subjects because it combines my favorite lead generation channel, LinkedIn, with my favorite type of sales lead. Who doesn't get fired up when they book a Fortune 500 company or booking a sales meeting with $1 billion revenue company, connecting with a brand name and scheduling time for a product demo? These are the moments that sales reps live for, and just the opportunity to get a crack at that contract is exciting enough to push you to generate these types of leads using LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the no-brainer in terms of channel to use. And it's the only way that you're going to get within a 10-foot pole of any of these decision makers, or even prospects for that matter. I've generated C-level sales leads and booked meetings with C-level executives at top 10 biggest brands in the world, Bed Bath & Beyond, to name one. C-level at Air Canada, one of Canada's biggest companies. And it's always been through LinkedIn. Now, the reason that you can do this with LinkedIn and not cold calling or emails is because LinkedIn gives you the ability to show off, your personal brand, I guess, your online presence. I just posted a video on building your online presence. Check that out because it's extremely important if you're trying to book an enterprise sales lead. Enterprise companies do their research, and they don't just talk to any Joe Blow who hits them up on LinkedIn and asks them to chat. These guys are the creme de la creme and only talk to people if they see value as well as proven results. Somebody that has been around the block and is not going to waste their time. These companies can't afford to screw up, so they're not even going to consider you if your online presence doesn't match the offer. It's really simple. To book enterprise sales leads, you're going to do the same thing as always, but you're going to focus on one of two things. You can focus on the account filters or the lead filters, both of which are really going to include a filter that is going to include headcount. So go down to headcount, make sure that you're only reaching out to people that fall into a company size of at least 5,000 employees. You could do a bit lower, 1,000 employees. This is going to filter out anybody who's not one of the behemoths. You can choose your industry. And then within these enterprise companies, if you really want to get risky, you can filter by seniority level. Go after anybody director level and above at an enterprise sales company. If you can get them on a meeting, you are well on your way to booking a six-figure contract. These types of people don't just take calls that they're not interested in. So if you book a meeting, that's a very good sign. In terms of actually writing the message or reaching out, be simple, be direct, and use data. Hi, Bed Bath & Beyond. We work with similar retail companies to help them generate 157% more sales leads. I wanted to reach out to you to book a discussion because I noticed you oversee the sales team and are looking to improve sales lead generation initiatives. Get down to chat. Make sure that you personalize the hell out of these messages and find out everything about the prospect to make sure that your messaging speaks to him and that he knows for a fact the message was handwritten for himself. Follow up, be consistent, try an account-based approach where you reach out to multiple people within a company, get creative with it, share content, and have fun. So hopefully with this video, you will be well on your way to booking leads with enterprise companies. Tell me all about it in the comments. If you have any tips, questions, feedback, any of the above, let us know. As always, hit the subscribe button for the best free sales content in the business and a no bullshit approach to sales. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon.